All right, we're looking at question number 10 of the JAMB 2015 math exam. And in this question, we're given a table and we're told that it represents the outcome of throwing a dice 100 times. And we're asked to find the probability of obtaining at least a 4. As with all probability problems, the actual calculations you have to provide are very, very simple ones, usually basic arithmetic. The challenge is understanding what you're being asked. So what we're seeing here in this table is that somebody had a dice and threw the dice 100 times. It landed on the number 1 18 times, the number 2 22 times, number 3 20 times, number 4 16 times, number 5 10 times, and the number 6 it landed 14 times. You are now expected to assume that all future tosses of this dice are governed by this probability table. That is, if you were to throw the dice another 100 times, you can now assume that these values here represent the odds of you getting any one of these particular numbers on the dice. So if someone asks you what is the probability of getting a 4, you would rightly answer, according to this table, it's a 16 out of 100 chance of getting a 4. But in this question, we're not being asked to find the probability of getting a 4. We're being asked to get the probability of at least a 4. So if we had a number line that looked like this, and we had the numbers 1 all the way up to 6 on this number line, well, we know that anything that is at least 4 is anything that is 4 or greater than 4. 5 is also at least 4, and 6 is also at least 4. So this question is really asking us to figure out what the probability of getting a 4 or a 5 or a 6 is. And so in order to answer that question, you just have to sum up all these frequencies. And so we know that now we know that if we're going to roll the dice 100 times, the probability of obtaining at least a 4 is 16 plus 10 plus 14, which is equal to 40 out of 100 tries, which is 2 over 5.